Alright, let's open this baby up now. So there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. No? So let's just use these screws to open this up. So this looks like a T4. Okay, yep, it's a T4. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that you have to take off. So there are 2 screws here as well, but these ones are not Torx screws. They are actually Phillips screws, no? So let's just count all the screws now. So there's 7 Torx screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, and then after that you have to take out the rubber feet over here. Right? There's actually a film over it, but there are 2 Phillips screws. Right? One, and then there's another one over here. No? From here you can actually already pop open the aluminum back plate, right? Okay, so I found it a bit easier if you start over here. There's like a little lip right here by the hinge, so you can use your prise tool and then slowly go around, right? You can hear the knobs pop. Okay, now that you've got it up, just gently go around and pop the cover up. And just go around, no? Don't force it. Okay, so you can see here, those are the clips, no? The plate is actually aluminum, right? So it's pretty sturdy. Okay. So this is what we came for now. We wanted to look at the internals. So you can see here the 75 watt-hour battery. It takes up like half of the whole unit. Now you've got two downward firing speakers over here. You've got your Wi-Fi card here as well. Here you have your M.2 SSD. You can see that they use Hynix, right? Would have preferred if they use maybe like Samsung or something, right? But what's very nice is, so at least this one is replaceable, and that it actually has a heat spreader as well, no? Very nice. You don't see this that often, and pre-installed in laptops. I'm looking around here. I don't see any way that you can expand the SSD. Okay, so in order to remove the battery, you actually have to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, no? So I'm not actually gonna disconnect it because I actually just want to look underneath. So I really don't see any other upgradable part aside from the SSD, no? Your RAM solder on. So I don't see any upgradable part aside from the Wi-Fi card and the SSD, no? Underneath it is you've got your mouse pad, that's your screen, I believe. That's your keyboard. And then you've got your Wi-Fi antennas up over here, actually. No? So first thing is you place back the two Phillips screws. And then place back the rubber feet.